The Philippine Navy emphasized no buying spree will be made of the investments intended for strengthening the defense of Philippine sovereign waters. This comes after President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s approval of the 35 billion peso modernization budget for the Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP. Navy spokesperson Commodore Roy Vincent Trinidad stressed the Department of National Defense, or DND, aims to utilize the Navy's allotted budget to expand its capabilities in safeguarding not only the West Philippine Sea, but also the eastern side of the country, where Chinese-flagged research vessels were spotted to be zigzagging in and out of the country's exclusive economic zone, or EEZ. Meanwhile, retired Rear Admiral Romel Ong highlighted the administration needs to decide the system smartly.
We need to fight cheap. Ang labanan kasi dito, return of investment. Ibig sabihin, kung kaya mo patambahin yung kalaban mo na 5 piso lang yung ginastos mo, tapos yung equipment niya is 1,000 pesos, panalo ka na doon in terms of yung cost factor. We need to design the system smartly so that we, the Filipino people can afford to support yung defense requirements.